Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Francis Teo. In the age of digital transformation, the emergence of artificial intelligence (AI) and advanced AI models like ChatGPT have ushered in a new era of possibilities for content delivery networks. These innovations have given rise to what can be termed as iCDN, an era where AI technologies, interactivity, computing, financial power converge to shape the future of the content delivery. Let's welcome Gina, my assistant, to give us a thorough explanation of how the interactivity might work in iCDN.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the future CDN, presenting the iCDN Interactive Content Delivery Network's Data Clean Room. It's where data privacy and cutting-edge technology coalesce to create something extraordinary. The iCDN's Data Clean Room is not just a room, it's the gateway to a future where data fuels innovation and where your digital world responds to you. Interactive avatar newscasting is allow viewers to have some control over the news content. For example, viewers might choose which news stories they want to see, access additional background information, or decide the order in which segments are presented. This level of interactivity empowers viewers to tailor their news consumption to their interests and preferences. They can deep dive into the news content and ask for more questions, able to gather information and answer them directly from reliable news sources. Come and ask me more questions.
So Gina, you're telling me that you are a AI avatar, really? So, and you're telling us that there is this interactive newscasting, this new feature for iCDN. You can engage with the viewers effectively, respond to their questions in real time, and provide in-depth information on complex global events. How about you actually newscast on these recent floods? Can you explain the features and the process technology of this new interactive news delivery system?
Let's take a look at how it works on newscasting. We present the interactive newscasting using AI avatar. We interrupt to bring you an urgent report. In the past 11 days, we've witnessed a staggering occurrence, a catastrophic floods across 4 continents. You might wonder, how can we make sense of these unprecedented events? Greetings, world. I'm not a human being, and is your AI avatar, here to shed light on the underlying causes of these devastating floods. Scientists believe that climate change may be a key factor contributing to this wave of intense rainfall and flooding, but the relationship between climate change and these events isn't always straightforward. From the devastating floods in Libya, which have left thousands in despair, to severe rains inundating regions in Greece, Turkey, Brazil, Spain, China, Hong Kong, and the US. There you go. This is the use case for interactive newscasting. I can replace a real human being newscaster to give impromptu news report in a matter of minutes without preparation and news information from targeted newsfeed. All my news are sourced from targeted newsfeed, and readers can ask any questions and get reply from experts and news sources almost instantly. Ask me any questions.
So the new feature is known as interactive avatar newscasting. Why are there such flood in that short span of time?
Weather analysts and studies have said that such incidents have risen in recent decades, and climate change is one of the reasons behind it. The planet's water cycle is being increased by global warming, and warmer temperatures cause more evaporation. Hence, a warmer atmosphere may contain more moisture. The phenomenon means that storms can provide more intense precipitation, resulting in serious flooding. A report by the Environmental Protection Agency published last year mentioned that researchers have observed those changes over time as the world warms. The space agency said that global precipitation has increased at an average rate of 0.04 inches per decade since 1901.
So Gina, what are the impacts of the recent floods in the world? And what are the expert forecasts for the future?
According to BBC News source, they estimate that by 2030, there will be an extra 25 countries experiencing increasing floods in addition to the 32 being impacted at present. We estimate that an additional new 179.2 million people will be exposed to floods by 2030 in 100-year zones, and most of that is due to demographic change, said Dr. Tellman. Around 50 million extra people will be exposed to inundation, we think, directly to climate change explicitly.
So Gina, what are the other use cases of interactive content delivery network with artificial intelligence? How can you bring more value to our participants?
There is a new function that we are still experimenting on, which is known as interactive advertisement. It allows our advertiser to embed AI avatar at the end of each commercial video advertisement. Increase the call to action rate for consumer by having an AI avatar to interact with 24/7 in multiple language, remove doubt, remove obstacles, cater to the frequently asked questions immediately.
This is impressive. Show us.
From the makers of the world's most refined lasers comes the ultimate in handheld flashlights. The flash torch is a compact, portable searchlight that is capable of producing an incredible 4,100 lumens of intense white light. Use this power to guide your way home, light a fire, or even fry an egg. Buy one at $249 divided by at its website now.
How far can the flash torch shine?
The effective range of the flash torch beam is approximately 100 yards out. The flash torch was built for power, which enables it to light things on fire and to produce an incredible 4,100 lumens of intense bright light. It was not designed to illuminate objects over a far distance, as it is more of a floodlight.
Why is the flash torch expensive?
Aside from using high-quality materials, the custom battery pack is expensive to manufacture as it uses branded Sony, LG, Panasonic, Samsung Li-ion cells.
So your interactive advertisement is just an overlay over an existing commercial advertisement video, and it enhances viewer engagement. Interactive advertisements are designed to captivate and engage viewers beyond passive consumption. With features like quizzes, surveys, and games, viewers become active participants rather than passive observers. Immediate action. Interactive advertisements prompt viewers to take immediate action, capitalizing on their heightened interest right after the ad. This can lead to higher conversion rates and engagement with the advertised product or service. Real-time interaction. Interactive ads enable real-time interactions with viewers. This means that any questions or concerns can be addressed instantly, fostering trust and satisfaction among potential customers. Personalization. These ads can be customized based on viewer preferences and behaviors, making the content more relevant and appealing to individual audiences. Personalization enhances the likelihood of positive response. This is something that is really amazing. So ladies and gentlemen, if you are interested to find out more about these new features, how it can be incorporated into your media, use this QR code to drop us a note.